back, guys. PAPERBOY Entertainment. And we got some more My Kart'S toys. We got some Hot Wheels here. We got 4 Hot Wheels. These are Dollar Tree pickups. And I picked up the hottest cars I could find out of all the Hot Wheels. Stay tuned, My Kart'S vlogs, because we might go back out and stop at a dollar store, at a Dollar Tree, and see if they got any more Hot Wheels or whatever else, other toys. So stay tuned for that. But let's do an unboxing. This is my favorite one out of all of them. Well, maybe my second favorite. This is the Rod Squad, new for 2021. It's that supercharged beast muscle car. Looks so cool sitting inside the little plastic jewel case. Almost look better sitting in there than they do when they're out. But we're gonna let these guys out. Here's the back of the card. Muscle and blown is what this kind of Hot Wheel is. Custom hot rods, guys. Let's go ahead and open it up. Unboxing time. Hot Wheels. I really didn't want to get into collecting Hot Wheels because it's like, I hear it's addictive and it's never ending. Okay. So I think it's I don't know if this is metal. I don't know if that's metal or not. It feels like a hard plastic. There you go. It's got that motor on there. Pretty awesome. Nice detail. Hot Wheels 53. It's a pretty awesome little car right here. The bigger wheel in the back. It's at the side artwork. A lot of detail on this. Racing chrome rims in the back. Inside, you can even see the interior, chrome interior, looks like, on this Hot Wheel. Nice body kit. If I get a kit on the Camaro, I want to get a kit something like that. Nice bumper kit. Nice little Hot Wheel right here, guys. Muscle and blown. I think that's what it was, right? Get those nice shots. Zoom in, zoom in. Trying to get a nice shot for you guys. Alright, that's the first Hot Wheel. I'm going to put this one down over here. Second one we got is X Racerus. X Racerus. It's like X Racer, I guess. Kind of like Speed Racer. Racer X. I don't know. It's got the what is that? It's got like the red die cast or purple die cast rim, chrome style. And the tire is a see-through rubber. I wonder if they make those kind of tires. That would be awesome if they made those in real life. We got a chrome and purple motif. Looks like a futuristic car. And this is best for track. So this is a Hot Wheels track car. So they make Hot Wheels these are just for the track. It's all chrome bumper. It's nice little figures of cars. Nice little models of cars. This is a Forward Force X Racers. Let's go ahead and pop this one open. Hot Wheels. This is nice. This is a nice car right here. Okay, try to zoom in. Okay, Hot Wheels. You're watching Hot Wheels. You're watching Hot Wheels on Paperboy Entertainment. My Kart's Toys. Got a racer car right here. And it's all, the whole top. The whole top is like a clear plastic molding on top. Futuristic. Has that nice mural on top. Purple see-through with chrome. And the tires and wheels are awesome. Got that see-through tire. Purple chrome rims. Check out the back bumper. We got a gold, what is that? Candy paint bumper. And let's check out the front. Front chrome grille. Nice swoop. Muscle car style. And that's our second Hot Wheel guy, guys. Trying to get a nice shot of it. Okay, just keep going. We got Hot Wheels new for 2021, and this is another best for track, best for loops. It shows you what it's good for. This one's best for loops, and I like this one because it has like a Mad Max kind of feel to it, but also flossing with the big rims, chrome. It's like a little tank almost. It's got the track motif on top, track motif all around. It's got the colorful tires, which I wish they would make these in real. I don't know if they make these in real life or not. A colorful tire. It's pretty awesome. So this is Lethal Diesel. Track Stars, guys. Lethal Diesel. So that wasn't the name of that one? Forward Force was the other one. And what was the other one? I can't remember the other name. Anyway, let's keep going. Let's unbox this Hot Wheels. This one came out really nice. It's light. So I think they are metal on top and then plastic bottom. The rest is plastic parts. This is another nice Hot Wheel. I like the big rim style. Flossing on them 20s, 22s, 30s, whatever. What would these be? These are like pretty big rims. These are like 30s or something. Got that chrome on the glass, chrome pipes. That loud pipes. That's my life. We got the chrome motor. Nice motor blower popping out there. Another awesome Hot Wheel pickups, guys. My Kart's Toys. Okay, we got one more. And this is not a Hot Wheels, this is a Matchbox. And this is a Ford Mustang, all blue. I was looking for the Camaro, but I couldn't find one. 2019 Coupe, Ford Mustang Coupe. And Matchbox are, I guess, a little bit more detailed. Looks a little bit more realistic. They added the actual details from the real cars. And this one looks just like the real car. Let's go ahead and open this one up. Unboxing. Thanks for watching, guys. My Kart's Toys. This is our last Hot Wheel. Stay tuned. We'll be back. We'll do some video game play footage for you guys. just some video games. Yeah, we got the PS Mini kicking it right now, and we're also kicking the Xbox 360, Xbox One. Let's check out that grill. Looks nice. It's tires. Matchbox does a really good job. Chrome rims. And the rear view. The view of the rear. The Mustang looks real. Zoom in camera, there it is. It says that GT on the back. I like how they painted the lights on there. Looks nice. Thanks again for watching, guys. Mike Kart'S Toys, Hot Wheels, and Matchbox unboxing. We'll be right back.